Bikes have been a popular mode of transportation for many years. They are not only environmentally friendly, but also provide a great way to stay active and healthy. One of the main advantages of biking is that it is an easy and efficient way to get around. Bikes can be used for both short and long distances, and they are often faster than cars in congested city traffic. Additionally, biking eliminates the need for expensive and polluting fossil fuels, making it a more sustainable option. Another benefit of biking is that it is a great form of exercise. According to the World Health Organization, regular physical activity can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Biking is a low-impact exercise that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and fitness levels. Moreover, biking is also a great way to explore the outdoors and experience nature. Whether you are riding through a picturesque countryside or an urban park, biking allows you to take in the sights and sounds of your surroundings in a unique way. It also helps to reduce stress and improve mental health, as it allows one to get away from the daily routine. In conclusion, biking is a versatile, efficient, and healthy mode of transportation that has many benefits. It is an easy and enjoyable way to stay active and reduce our carbon footprint. As more people choose to bike, cities can become safer, healthier, and more sustainable places to live. Furthermore, biking also helps to promote community and social connections. Many cities and towns have bike-sharing programs and organized group rides, which provide opportunities for people to meet and connect with others who share a love of cycling. Additionally, biking is an affordable transportation option. Unlike cars, bikes do not require expensive maintenance, such as oil changes and tune-ups. They also don't require any fuel or require any parking fee. This can help to save money and make it more accessible to people from all backgrounds. However, biking also has its own set of challenges. In many cities, the infrastructure for biking is not yet well developed, making it difficult and dangerous for people to bike on the streets. This lack of infrastructure can be a major barrier to people who want to bike but feel unsafe on the roads. Therefore, it is important for cities to invest in the construction of bike lanes and other infrastructure to make biking safer and more accessible. In conclusion, biking is a fantastic transportation option that offers numerous benefits, including environmental sustainability, physical and mental health, community building, and affordability. However, there are still challenges that need to be addressed, such as the lack of infrastructure for biking, to make it a safer and more accessible mode of transportation for everyone. Another important aspect to consider is the safety of bicyclists on the roads. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, in 2019, 857 bicyclists were killed in motor vehicle crashes in the United States. This highlights the need for increased education and awareness for both bicyclists and drivers to reduce the number of accidents and fatalities. One way to improve safety is through education campaigns that target both bicyclists and drivers. Bicyclists need to be aware of traffic laws and how to safely navigate the roads, while drivers need to be aware of the rights and responsibilities of bicyclists and how to safely share the road with them. Furthermore, laws and regulations for biking can also play a crucial role in promoting safety. Helmets, for example, are an important safety measure for bicyclists, and many states have laws requiring their use. In addition, cities can invest in bike-sharing programs, bike lanes, and bike parking facilities to make biking more convenient and accessible for everyone. This will not only make biking safer, but also increase the number of people who choose to bike as a mode of transportation, reducing congestion and pollution on the roads. In conclusion, biking is a valuable mode of transportation that offers many benefits. However, to truly realize the potential of biking, it is important to address the challenges related to safety, infrastructure, and education. By working together, cities, communities, and individuals can create a safer and more bike-friendly environment for everyone.